Okay, so we're going to do a problem based on the special cases that we learned about today in our right triangle. So we see that we have a right triangle. And I see here that this is 60 degrees. Since this is 60 degrees, I know that this one is 30 degrees. And I have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So how do I find A and B? So we knew before that we have Pythagorean, but what do I have? I have two unknowns. How can I use Pythagorean when I have two unknowns? I can't. So this is why the special cases is so helpful. So first I need to know which is my longer leg, which is my shorter leg. Because everything is related to the shorter leg. Well, angle 30 is opposite from A. Since 30 is smaller than 60, I know that 30, the A, is going to be my shortest leg. I know that A is my shortest leg. So, my 3 radical 2 is my longer leg. And what do I have? So first I'm going to look at comparing the longer leg with the shorter leg. In my equation that I have, I know that the longer leg, which is 3 radical 2, 3 square root of 2, my longer leg is equal to the shorter leg, which is A, times square root of 3. A square root of 3. I need to solve for A though, don't I? So my next step is to divide by square root of 3. This will isolate my A. And what I do to one side, I must do to both. So now I have 3 square root of 2 divided by square root of 3 equals A. But you see I have two square roots. I have two square roots, one in the numerator, one in the denominator. And I can't have one in the denominator anyway. So what do I do now? I know I multiply by 1, which is going to be this square root of 3 over itself. So I multiply by square root of 3 over square root of 3. This is a 1. So what's root 3 root 3? It's just 3. So this gives me A equals 3 square root of 6 over 3. Well, looky here. I've got 3 divided by 3. These cancel out, and I now have A is equal to the square root of 6. So I have A. Now I'm looking for B. And what do I have for my equation for B? Well, I have my hypotenuse. B is equal to 2 times the shorter leg. So it's 2 times A. Well, what's my shorter leg? I see down here that A is square root of 6. So B equals 2 square root of 6, and I'm done. I solved for A and B. A is square root of 6, B is 2 square root of 6.